For planets where humans can live in the future, NASA's Kepler Telescope has just revealed incredible new discoveries that have shocked the entire scientific community. The telescope has found 4 amazing planets outside of our solar system where humans could potentially live in the future. These planets are incredibly similar to Earth and have the potential to support human life. Join us as we explore these 4 mind-blowing planets in detail. Welcome back to my channel. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Let's jump right into it. The first planet we're going to talk about is WASP 39b. It's one of the most exciting discoveries made by the Kepler Telescope. This planet is located 700 light-years away from Earth in the constellation of Virgo. WASP 39b is a bit bigger than Earth and has a mass that is 11 times greater than our planet. But what really makes this planet special is its atmosphere. According to NASA, WASP 39b has an atmosphere that contains more than 10 times the amount of carbon dioxide as Earth's atmosphere. This means that the planet could have a liquid water ocean, which is essential for human life. Additionally, the planet receives enough sunlight to sustain life. It has a moderate temperature range. The discovery of WASP 39b gives us hope that there could be many more Earth-like planets out there in the universe that could support human life. However, it's important to note that while the planet may have the potential for life, we haven't actually discovered any signs of life there yet. Further exploration and research would be needed to determine if life could actually thrive on this planet. Let's move on to our next incredible discovery, Kepler 62f. This planet is located 1,200 light-years away from Earth in the constellation of Lyra. Kepler 62f is almost twice the size of Earth and has a mass that is 3 times greater than our planet. Despite its larger size, the planet is still considered to be potentially habitable, as it receives enough sunlight to support life. One of the most interesting things about Kepler 62f is that it has a very thin atmosphere compared to Earth. This means that there is very little atmospheric pressure on the planet, which could make it difficult for humans to breathe. However, recent research suggests that the planet could have a liquid water ocean, which could provide a source of breathable oxygen. Additionally, the planet's temperature range is moderate enough for humans to survive. While Kepler 62f is not an exact match for Earth, it does have the potential to support life with some significant adaptations. If humans were ever to colonize this planet, we would need to bring our own air and water. We would also need to find a way to protect ourselves from the thin atmosphere and low gravity. However, the discovery of Kepler 62f gives us hope that there could be other Earth-like planets out there that are even more hospitable to human life. Now, let's take a look at another fascinating discovery, Kepler 44b. This planet is located 1,200 light-years away from Earth in the constellation of Pavo. Kepler 44b is a bit smaller than Earth and has a mass that is slightly less than our planet. However, the planet has a very dense atmosphere, which means that there is a lot of atmospheric pressure on its surface. This could make it difficult for humans to breathe, and could also make it difficult for spacecraft to land on the planet. Additionally, the planet is extremely hot, with temperatures reaching up to 400 degrees Celsius. This makes it very unlikely that humans could survive there without significant protection. Despite these challenges, the discovery of Kepler 442b is still exciting, because it shows that there are many different types of planets out there in the universe. While this planet may not be suitable for human life, it could potentially support life forms that we have never imagined. Further exploration and research of Kepler 442b could help us better understand the diversity of life in the universe. Finally, we come to the last planet on our list, Kepler 186f. This planet is located 490 light-years away from Earth in the constellation of Cygnus. Kepler 186f is a bit smaller than Earth and has a mass that is around half of our planet. The planet is also located in the habitable zone of its star system, which means that it could have liquid water on its surface. However, the star system is very different from our own, and it is possible that the planet could have a very thin atmosphere or no atmosphere at all. Without an atmosphere, it would be difficult for humans to survive on the planet, as we would not be able to breathe, and would be exposed to harmful radiation from the sun. Additionally, the planet is very far away from Earth, which means that it would be very difficult for humans to travel there and colonize it. Even if we could solve the atmosphere problem, the distance would make it very challenging to establish a permanent human presence on Kepler 186f. Despite these challenges, the discovery of Kepler 186f is still exciting, because it shows that there could be many more Earth-like planets out there in the universe that could support human life. With further exploration and research, we may discover other planets that are more hospitable to human life. These 4 planets are truly amazing, and they give us hope that there could be many more Earth-like planets out there in the universe that could support life. However, it's important to remember that while these planets have the potential for life, we haven't actually discovered any signs of life there yet. It would be exciting if we were to discover life on any of these planets, but it's important to remain grounded in reality and not get too hopeful. In conclusion, the discovery of these 4 planets is a testament to the power of human curiosity and our desire to explore the unknown. Thanks to NASA's Kepler Telescope, we've been able to learn more about our universe and the potential for life beyond Earth. Who knows what other amazing discoveries await us in the future? As technology advances, we'll be able to explore further and learn more about the planets in our solar system and beyond. If you're interested in learning more about space exploration and the search for extraterrestrial life, stay tuned for more updates. What do you think about these planets? Which one would you like to visit the most? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Take care and keep looking up to the stars.